Hello, this is iMobi. This video will help you how to restore WhatsApp backup using DroidKit. First, open the software, select the Data Manager function, click WhatsApp Manager. Click Restore Now. Select the backup you need to restore, click Restore, and connect the device according to the software prompts. The device is connected successfully, click Start and click Restore. Then back up the device data according to the software prompts. Click Next. Then the software will enter the data recovery process. This process takes time, please wait patiently. Please click Continue on the device according to the software prompts, and click OK. Click OK. Enter the backup password 1234 on the device according to the software prompts. Click Restore My Data. Please check whether the data restoration is successful on the device according to the software prompts. If successful, please click the OK button to finish the restore process.